So in the future, we will do more this. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. In today's video, let me show you some very long hair. And look at this hair. This is a 30 inches. We have some over 34 or 36 or over this lenses. And this is raw hair without any chemical or any type of process. Just wash and weft. And look at this hair, very beautiful, and with all the cuticles you can use this hair for a very long time, and the fullness also nice, very well structured and wefted here as well, and each and every hair are very thick, and the color of the hair also very healthy. We can tell that this donut hair is very healthy. And this is another 34 inches bundle. This is very great and luxury hair bundles. Compare with this 30 inches. So with this hair, you can weft and make a very beautiful wigs, and this is without any type of anything on this hair. Very natural after and before washing, all the same, and you can use it for a very long time with a great maintenance. Cuticle aligned, cuticle intact as well. Healthy color, we can tell. These donors are very healthy. So we have this type of hair which is top quality, and you will only find from us. So if you want a super good and super best quality hair, check with us. In the future, we will do more raw Chinese hair, and we will provide bulk as well. If you want bulk and you want to make the wig yourself, or you can also purchase from us, and we will sell you in kilos. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like this video and share. If you want any type of hair products, you can go and purchase on our website www.joicehair.com. Thanks for watching today. Have a nice day.